This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Fevin Abraham. Welcome to this immaculate bright 2-bed/2-bath second floor condo split floor plan. Located in the heart of Seminole, only minutes from Indian Rocks Beach, Seminole City Center, offering restaurants, shopping, health and wellness options and so much more. The unit has been tastefully remodeled with a beautiful kitchen that features soft close pot drawers, granite countertops with plenty of space and storage. The living area has vaulted ceilings. It opens to a screened porch with a serene view. Recent upgrades include new Vinley floors throughout, fresh paint, ceiling fans in every room. Unit also offers in-unit washer and dryer and an assigned carport parking space. Unlike most of the other units, your back porch is a peaceful oasis overlooking the well-manicured grounds and tranquil pond where you can enjoy your morning coffee or a private dinner after a long day. The primary bedroom features an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. The condo fee includes water/sewer, trash, insurance, not in a flood zone, cable TV and internet, grounds, amenities and management. Included amenities are Clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, and Shuffleboard. Small pet allowed. Not a 55+ community. Call today to make this yours. You'll love this unit. For more information, review